white extension cord that you plugged in for my Christmas tree. Is that a spare that you had in here? Shall I unplug it and wrap it up?
I've got quite a few of them now. I've got a place I'm keeping them down there, but if you want to bring it in here, I'll hang it on the wall. Yeah, any old
Just put
place
it
you
in
want
my
to.
box with a Christmas tree, or do you want it accessible?
What's that?
Should I put it in the box with my
Yeah,
Christmas
yeah.
tree?
That'd be good.
Good, thank you.
You need me to come unhook the wire?
I got it. Thank you.
Awesome.
Yep, that's a good job you did. With that wind we had a while ago, I'm like,
Yeah, that tree was
good
dancing.
job, honey.
Yeah, that tree was
Yep,
dancing.
you're the best.
So I was having a little trouble getting that to cut. Well, the bottle was empty. So I don't think I filled that bottle. I've got some other bottles here. I'm going to hook one of my other bottles to it. According to this, that's just empty. So let's close that. And we'll change this bottle out.